me from the radio, drop the truth. Keep me off of TV, drop the truth. Taking me online, so drop the truth. They report me frequently, drop the truth and I repeat. Ban me from the radio, drop the truth. Keep me off of TV, drop the truth. Taking me online, so drop the truth. They report me frequently, drop the truth.
You belong on pedestals. When you good as vegetables, hate you girl, it's comical. Restoration we gon' do. Chocolate, loving it. I'ma need a double scoop. Strawberry, where it's at, glowing and you beautiful. Caramel, got me wrapped round your finger, but it's cool. Melanated in y'all bad queen, that's the principle. Melanated, many colors, many flavors for the brothers. From the classic to the gutter, we might fight, but I love you. Needed space to discover, no other race gon' love you. Like this race through the struggle, feel embrace and we cuddle. That's my queen, that's my daughter, that's my sister. On our porous, we're unified as chorus. Got us dousing haters' torches. The God and the ghost feel like my heart in my throat. Feelings like LMA, no ceilings like Weezy and Flow. It's hard as brick toast, I'm talking it butter the most. Cold as the northernmost coast, the Jews that I'm dropping them close. Black promises, I can promise you this. To the mountain we gon' get more accomplishments, most astonishing. I can promise you this, legendary what we is. Black promises, I can promise you this. To the mountain we gon' get more accomplishments, most astonishing. I can promise you this, legendary what we is. Said that she bored, go watch some TV. I'm not your entertainment, what you think? Call me your boy, well we can't link, but I'm employed and working on things. Said that she bored, but live on IG. I'm not your entertainment, what you think? Kristen Dior, what she adore. Is she worth it? Ain't really the question. Man, I'm annoyed, asking for more, regardless what's given. Thought I'm a blessing, work for a living, cause nothing is handy. Told me she get it, but don't understand it. Sometimes I'm tired, can't be romantic. Less on the plate, but she focus on matches. Said I'm a guy, we perfectly fit. Do look amazing together. Nigga, not one of us. Could you say it any loud and clearer with your talk? And your mind don't represent our kind. Nigga, you been bought, but it's fine, you can live a lie. I know your skin black like your heart, man. But you ain't black in the damn brain. I know your skin black like your heart, man. But you ain't black in the damn brain. I know your skin black like your heart, man. But you ain't black in the damn brain. I know your skin black like your heart, man. But you ain't black in the damn brain. Breaking news, religion got us waiting for a change of view. Yeah. Hey, I tried to pitch it to the mainstream, but keep striking out. Positive images I'm painting, but water me down. Spiritual warfare we can't see, but consequences are loud. Racial critics and crowds, but hypocrite head in clouds. Never addressing your own. By color, see them as blanks. Empty cartridge been blown, but in some way think you saints. Know it's more than your home, but over spot you just paint. Inflated testosterone, so you not what you claim. Addressing mental health as it relates to old trauma sent through other racial groups, my people sold. Even by their own for several reasons, stories grow. To legend and more fallacies on us, it got a hold. Remove the tangible scraps for the tangible's presence. Had no plan to go back, but I feel we regressing. Remember outer space's claps ain't always true affection. You entertain them, they relax, but keep your mind protected.